Let's talk about waterfalls and hydrology. I'm going to start off with the most important thing that you need to know. Which honestly, if you think about it, is one of the coolest facts. And you can really see that fact in these little eddies over here that is created. Change on the geology of the area. And honestly, that about wraps it up. I know it was a lot of information in a short period of time, but I hope you learned a whole bunch from it, and I can't wait to make a whole bunch more of these.